Water's really nice. Don't know why I'm whispering, it just felt like that should be the occasion to whisper. I just saw the coolest dragonfly. They're everywhere. They're like bright blue, and they're like, not like that. That was terrifying. The audacity. Anyway, yes. The water's really warm. The bird thinks so too. Anyway, let's sit on the side. I think I'm gonna get really muddy, but... Right, so it's a field. There's a bench. Lots of low-hanging branches. It's great. Okay, let me show you what I got. She had the cutest little cookie shop. So I bought one of each flavor because they all looked amazing, but equally, she was so pleased with all her things, and it was her own shop, and I was like, fine, I'll buy them all. They honestly, they look so good, and I just would prefer to spend my money in a little shop than a big one. So here's a pistachio cookie, of course. Let's try it. If they're not good, I swear. That is amazing. I also got a marron glacé cookie. You see how on brand these cookies are, right? So good. Oh my god. And this was just a chocolate chip one. I'm very impressed with those flavors. So good. I really need to make dinner, but I don't want to. I don't want to do it. Don't make me. I'm too tired. After the whole camera falling in the river, I'm out, you know? Basically, at this point in my life, I need chaperoning 24/7. I need a team. I need people. I'm just dropping everything and then crying. We're just gonna get something out of the fridge because I'm not gonna cook in this state. Whoa, even that's coming down. Oh, my life. It's getting so dramatic in here right now.